applicant.
Yes.
With the concern of the petition, I mentioned it's item number 3, my lord. Here I am required to file an affidavit. I will file the affidavit during the course of the day. Not will fix the matter on 17th, my lord. Item 3, my lord.
It's a pension matter, Lordship. I am for the petitioner, Lordship. Let it be on 17, Lordship. It is not inconvenient to the court.
Okay. Mr. S. Bora, learned counsel for the
Department of Housing and Urban Affairs.
Department of Housing and Urban, submits that he'll be filing the counter affidavit during the course of the day. And therefore prays that the matter be listed on 17th
17/12, my lord.
December. Of the praise not objected to by the other side. List again on 17th December. Yes.
I have another prayer, my lord, for listing of a petition, my lord, on 16/12, my lord. The matter relating to pension, my lord, retirement benefits, my lord. Of lending.
Yes, Your Lordship, I beg to mention on item transfer matter, Lordship. Transfer matter. He has already been transferred, so but no movement order has been issued. So matter may be taken up today, Lordship. Otherwise, he will be issued movement order.
Today not possible.
Because within 1 year, he has been transferred twice.
Today not
Otherwise,
possible.
they will issue movement order. That is the problem. Lordship. Very simple case. Nothing.
Today not possible. Tomorrow maybe.
Simple case, Lordship. Otherwise, they will issue a movement order. Because we have filed a writ petition. They came to know about the writ petition.
I understand. You do one thing you mentioned in the other courtroom before the other bench. All right.
Urgency is there, Lordship. That's
No, this court is not sitting second half. That is why. You mentioned before the other court,
bench.
bench 3.
What?
All right. Yes.
May it please your lordship.
Sema.
I also have a similar prayer, but tomorrow. That's the
What?
matter, my lord.
That's no matter.
I am to retire in a couple of years.
Okay,
I'm
tomorrow.
interested Tomorrow, but I make a prayer, my lord.
You want to make a mention
No.
before?
In the event I'm released tomorrow, lordship.
Hmm.
If I'm able to persuade my lordship protects me tomorrow. If I'm able to make out a case. Because they might release me today, that I'm giving
Okay, okay.
question.
Yes,
Item number 13, my lord. In
yes.
this, IA was filed in Saturday, my lord. It was not tagged with these records. So may
Which record?
please pray for listing this Friday. Till then, I have a mention slip that the IA will be numbered and tagged with this because
No,
IA is
which case? Is it listed
13. Yes, 13. Listed today before your lordship.
as item
13.
number?
Item not 13.
Okay, list the matter on Friday as paid for by the counsel for the petitioner. Registry to verify, along with the IA, said to have been filed.
Filing number is with me, my lord. 1493024 dated 7
14
14930/224.
14930/2024 filing number. Please note that. A list on Friday along with the IA said to have been filed under filing number so and so. Yes.
Obligation.
May it please your lordship?
Yes.
I beg to mention for listing one service matter for admission. Next week, any date, lordship?
When was it last listed?
26/6/24, lordship.
Okay, on Wednesday. Next week.
Shall I, lordship?
May it please your lordship.
Yes, Mr.
Would I prefer listing of a newly filed writ petition tomorrow, my lord?
What?
A newly filed writ petition
Ah.
tomorrow, my lord.
When have you filed it?
Yes, my lord.
What is the urgency, Mr.
My
Nair?
lord, it's the matter in which lordship has been pleased to take up some similar matters, challenging the pendency of department proceedings when the criminal proceedings
Ah.
are going on the basis of the one-man commission's report.
Okay,
I pray for a similar.
Okay.
Tomorrow, my lord.
tomorrow.
Deeply obliged.
Yeah, that's why I'm permitting you to mention before that court because this court may not be able to take it up. Sorry?
I have to mention here. So the person, he will be transferred.
Court must. Can I allow it and get it listed before that? Yes. Okay. It'll be listed before the other bench. I'm allowing it. Yes, call.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
The instruction was for from the respondent regarding my service. My lord, matter relates to, my lord, regarding my continuance of service as outsourced meter reader and without issuing any supposed notice,
Hmm.
without termination, my name has not been enlisted in the impugn order, my lord.
Where?
Otherwise, my lord, I have rendered for more than 10 years service.
Your name is not listed where?
No, that is my lord, page 24. Here, my lord, some junior serving 3 years, 1 years, 4 years. But their name enlisted here.
Will issue notice? Will issue notice?
Lordship, there was a direction to place instructions, Lordship. I have not received the
Last
instruction.
occasion, instruction was called for.
But the issue, his issue is that Lordship, his name was not considered while preparing this list. And if your Lordship peruses page 28 for a moment, page 28 for a moment, Lordship.
28.
28 of his writ petition.
Yes.
Terms and conditions, if there is any objection regarding inclusion or deletion of any name in the above list, the petition is to be forwarded to the office of the CGM HRA APDCL through proper channel with all supporting documents such as payment records, age proof, educational qualification, certificate, etc. The same will be examined by the committee constituted by office order dated so and so. So he has not filed any application seeking inclusion of his name. So let him file an application. APDCL will consider.
Any time frame? Any time frame on this?
Yes, Lordship may give a time frame.
No. In this notification, does it say that objection should be filed within such and such time?
No.
Then-
This has not said.
Then what will happen?
No, my name
You
is
can
not,
file any time.
my name is not mentioned here.
Mr. Counsel, please understand, your name is not mentioned. There's a clause here which says that if there's any objection for non-inclusion, you may submit your representation. Have you done so?
I,
Before coming to the court, exhaust your remedies.
my lord, I made representation, my lord, on
Where?
page 23, my lord. Page 23.
This is in the year 2022. List has come out in 2023.
Yes.
After the list has come out, you have to make the representation.
But prior to that, this letter, my lord,
You submit within 7 days and we'll direct the respondents to take into consideration. Heard Mr.
gave we are-
K. Bhuyan, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that petitioner is aggrieved with the non-inclusion of his name in the office order dated 14/12/2023, bracket annexure 5, issued by the Assam Power Distribution Company Limited, enlisting the name of
other employees,
what employees?
similar situated,
Outsource workers.
outsourced.
Outsourced workers employed by the company. Stop. According to the petitioner, he has been working under the company for the last 10 years, and his name should figure in the said list. Stop. A perusal of the terms and conditions to the office order goes to show that if there is any objection from any quarters regarding inclusion or deletion of names from the list, a petition should be submitted to the office of the Chief General Manager, bracket HRA, APDCL, through proper channel. To stop, it only appears that the petitioner has not submitted such petition slash application. Stop. Therefore, without expressing anything on merit, this writ petition is disposed of with a direction to the petitioner to submit his petition slash application for inclusion of his name in the list issued by office order dated 14/12/2023 within a period of 7 days from today. Support. Stop. Upon such submission, the respondent authority concerned shall examine the same and consider inclusion of the name of the petitioner amongst his employees. Stop. Such consideration be done within a period of 6 weeks from the date of receipt of the petition.
Highly obliged.
May I pray your Lordship may kindly record my name, Lordship.
Yes. I said heard Mr. Bhuyan.
APDCL.
Stop. Also heard Mr.
R. Bora for APDCL.
R. Bora, learned Standing Council,
Yes.
APDCL. Yes.
Blush, Your Worship.
My lord, in this, we have sent the affidavit for vetting, my lord. We'll need another 10
How
days.
much time?
10 days, in 10 days we'll tell you. 1 week.
Post it in at before a break, winter break.
My lord, after the break, my lord.
Then why do you ask for 10 days? Mr. Ardhar Lanet's counsel for the respondent submits that he may be given further 10 days time to file the affidavit in terms of the order dated 14/11/2024. Stop, Miss B. Bhuya, Miss B. Chaudhary, learned amicus curiae, is also present, is also heard. Stop, in view of above, let the matter be listed. On reopening? On reopening after the winter vacation. Respondent to file the affidavit in the meantime.
Much obliged.
Sir, may I pray that the matter is maybe passed over for time being, my lord. I am led by Mr. Ken Sodre, my lord. He is on legs in court number 2, my lord. My lord, this is for admission disposal, my lord.
Admission disposal.
Yes, my lord. The matter relates to, my lord, termination of the contractual employees, my lord. For the time being, my lord, he is on legs, my lord. Will come back. He'll address your lordship, my lord.
Can we have it on Thursday?
My lord, Thursday, he has some difficulty, my lord. On the last occasion, the matter was listed, my lord. Today, my lord, was fixed, my lord. It will not take much time, my lord.
If not Thursday, we'll have it tomorrow.
Or any other. Or else, my lord, I'll start, my lord.
Hmm.
I'll start, my lord. I can start, my lord. Short matter, my lord. The issue is a very short one, my lord. Although there are some many repetitions are there, my lord. I'll start, my lord.
Some legal provisions are there, my lord. The issue are legal, my lord, not factual. So it only that much.
My lord, there are judgments, my lord, supporting us, my lord. If lordship allows me.
It's up to lordship, my lord.
It's better you do it on some other hearing date.
My lord, my lord.
What date will be convenient to
Friday,
the
my lord.
parties?
Friday, my lord, this Friday. my lord.
Friday.
My lord, I prefer my hearing day, my lord.
Huh?
Tuesday or Thursday, I prefer, my lord. Because on
Let it
most
be
of
on a
days
hearing
there are
date,
numbers
not
of
on
cases.
motion day.
Next Tuesday, in that case, my lord.
All right. Let the matter be listed again on Tuesday next for admission hearing.
19 last day. On 17th, my lord.
17 is Tuesday? Yes.
Tuesday, my
Yes.
lord. Today is 10th.
Yes,
17th.
yes.
I'm deeply
17th.
obliged, lordship.
Hello.
May I please your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, my senior Miss M. Kumari is on leg in court number 15. So your lordship may kindly pass over the matter for the time being. And take the.
This is for admission hearing. Who's for the other side?
Yes, my lord.
FCI. Is it a short matter?
Only one point is involved.
What is that?
Whether the disciplinary
your time.
proceeding and the criminal proceeding can go simultaneously.
Okay. Why can it not go together?
It can go together, my lord.
But
So
then
they-
again, there are some matters, I'm told, that wherein this issue has been raised by the parties concerned, that criminal and departmental proceeding should not go together when they are based on the same set of facts and when the same witnesses are supposed to be relied upon. Because in the long run, it might prejudice the person concerned before the criminal court. Something like that. So this issue is there.
Yes,
So-
issue is dead, but in my case, I'm relying on BK Mina's case versus State of Rajasthan, where it has been categorically stated that when the delinquent officer has already divulged his defense in his written statement, in my case also, he has already divulged his defense in his written statement in 10 pages, my lord, giving every small details. So what remains, my lord? So that BK Mina's case squarely applicable in my case, my lord. Apart from Paul Anthony. Paul Anthony says that it can go together. But they are,
We'll do one thing, we'll post it in another hearing date.
She will be there within few minutes.
Which date will be convenient to the parties? Let me know.
my lord, on 7th of January.
7th of January.
Your lordship, there is an interim order already existing. in the-
That will continue.
Okay, your lordship.
List the matter on 7th of January for admission hearing. Interim order passed earlier shall continue till then. Yes.
Obliged.
Last occasion, this matter was heard around 1 hour, lordship, and thereafter, due to some discrepancy in the documents of the respondents, lordship, official respondents, the matter could not be completed. In this case, we have challenged the seniority list of the seniority as well as the promotion of the private respondent, lordship.
Well, I am appearing for respondent number 8. It is my first appearance, my lord. I need some time to file an affidavit, my lord. My promotion order is under challenge here, my lord.
So we have initially,
Number 8.
8, my lord.
we have initially taken dusty service, lordship, thereafter, this honorable court has
Shivji
directed
Shah.
us.
My lord.
Shivji Shah.
Yes, my lord. My order is
And-
under challenge, my lord.
Again, what about the others? Number 9?
9 has not appeared as yet.
Service completed, lordship. We have
Service complete.
initially taken dusty service
It
and
does not
thereafter
appear that-
again registered post, lordship. Your lordship has ordered that if, on next occasion that they not come, then.
We'll give him chance because he's appearing for the first time.
Lordship, but so on last occasion, the matter was almost hard, lordship, for around, if lordship peruse the last order. In some urgency, because in this case, lordship, what happened, by violating their own guidelines, the private respondent was promoted, lordship.
Okay. Although notice was declared to be complete, I'll repeat, although notice was declared to be complete on respondent numbers 8 and 9. Mr.
B. Chakraborty.
B. Chakrabarty, Learned Counsel, submits that he is appearing for the respondent number 8 for the first time today, and that he may be given some time to file affidavit in opposition. In view of above, list the matter.
On 7th, lordship.
I appear on behalf of the respondent number 2. 4 weeks time, my lord. Any date to 7. Maybe somewhere in the second week, my lord, second week of
On
January.
7th January, lordship.
No, on the 7th, it will be after 15 minutes because I will be here.
Then lordship 21, 21.
21.
21.
List the matter on 21 January 2025. Stop. Mr.
PK Roy,
P.K. Roy, Learned Senior Counsel, appears on behalf of respondent numbers
7.
2 to 7. 7?
Well, my friend is.
Yes, yes. Here for it, sorry. 2 to 7, yes.
Hello.
May it please, your lordship. We have received one paras comments from the ADC Nagaon lordship. And as per the paras comments, it has been stated that lordship, the selection process, there is a selection list and there is a credit petition before the High Court. And High Court directed the petitioner to file an appeal and go file an appeal against the respondent number 7 before the commissioner, so divisional commissioner, under executive instructions. And perhaps the appeal is still pending before the divisional commissioner. So lordship,
Appeal in terms of,
lordship, the order passed by the DC.
is that on record?
Oh, no, so we have not filed the affidavit yet. This is, I am telling as part of errors, also.
Why don't you file it then?
So we file it also.
Within what time can you file?
Because also in this holidays, our office will be open, so I think 2 or 3 weeks.
What?
Affidavit to file করবো দিতে।
Affidavit already filed করা আছে। The affidavit is there.
ওটা item 14 না?
Huh?
Item 14, আপনি কি মুন বসে বলে লাইছে? Item 14.
Oh, আচ্ছা, আচ্ছা, বলেন। Sorry, I'm not sure. This was here.
And therefore he may be given 2 weeks' time to file the affidavit of opposition. Prayers aloud. List the matter again after the ensuing winter vacation.
Nasıl?
Yes, what is this matter? Is it a short matter?
That is petitioner, he was an army personnel. He entered to army in 1981 and retired in 2022 minor. Actually, his date of birth was minor, 31/12/1962. As per this, he will have to retire on 31/12/2022 minor. But he was given retirement on 31/1/2020, that is 11 months ahead, my lord. There is a sufficient document that is that of.
Difference of 11 months. Difference of 11 months. So you have been retired in terms of your, perhaps your date of birth declaration.
Date of birth. Date of birth is 31/12/1962. As per this, we will have to retire on 31/12/2022, my lord. But he was given retirement one year ahead. That is, because after retirement from the army, he joined the ASTC in 2007 as contractual worker, my lord, contractual driver, my lord. And he was working in 2018. He received severe accident and causing 80% disablement. So he was given retirement on 22, my lord.
Date of birth is 31/12/1962.
62, my lord. So he will have to retire on 31/12/2022, my lord. So regarding the date of birth, my lord, I'll show the document to your lordship.
But that document, did you submit before the STC?
Yes, it was my lord.
Then on what basis you have been released on 31/1?
My lord.
On what basis you are released on 31/1?
There are so many documents. I'm coming, my lord. First, my lord, annexure to page 16. That is the retirement certificate issued by the army, my lord. Here also date of birth was mentioned as 31/12/1962. This was produced to the ASTC, my lord, at the time of his appointment.
Page?
Page 16, my lord. 16.
What is this document?
16, annexure 2.
What is this document?
That is it, annexure, it is the certificate issued by the army, my lord, at the time of his retirement. He retired from the army in.
Where is the original copy?
Originally, my lord, it is damaged, that is why we have filed the certificate, but other document also there.
Original copy you have not annexed?
It was damaged, my lord.
Which one? Is it page 17?
Yes, page 17 is my lord.
Page 17, page 16 is a typed copy of page 17. What is this? Identity card?
7 is not here. And if you also kindly see the other documents.
No. Before you go to other documents, since you have shown me page 16, please confirm, what is this document?
Your lordship come to page 20, my lord, and I said, hold.
No. Go back to page 16.
Page 16 is a.
Don't shift the pages from here to there. Let us go to page 16 first.
My lord, it will be.
What is page 16?
Page 16. Yes, my lord, page 17.
It is a typed copy of page 17, correct?
Original.
Now, what is page 17?
Yes, sir, this is original,
No, don't.
Page 72 is the original. Page 17 is the original of the page 16.
Page 17 is already there in my copy. Why are you giving me two copies? I don't require all these.
Huh?
It's already available at page 17.
Page 17 is there.
What is this document?
It is the certificate issued by the army, my lord, at the time of retirement.
This is not a certificate. This is a, I think, identity card or something like that.
It is the ID card issued by the army, my lord. 31/12/2022.
What is the date of birth here?
31/12/1962.
Okay. So what, according to the ASTC, is your date of birth?
Side copy. Page 16 is side copy of the page 17.
I know that. Is the sound coming? I don't know. We are not being able to communicate properly.
Next, my lord, your lordship,
Mr. Counsel, I have understood your case. Date of birth, according to you, and as per the army, is 31/12/1962. Now, according to the ASTC, where you were re-employed, what is your date of birth? What did you declare?
Oh, my lord, page 20.
Page 20.
Is the ID card issued by the ASTC, where the date of birth mentioned as 31/12/1962. ID card issued by the.
That also, 31/12/62. Is the same. It's the same, isn't it? Is it not the same date?
No, it is identity card issued by the ASTC, my lord.
No, the date of birth. One is by ASTC, one is by army. I know that. I'm asking you about the date. Date is same.
1962.
Same, isn't it? So despite this, they have been retired early. Now let us ask the STC council. See, the petitioner seems to be a retired army personnel. As per the army ID card or what discharge card, date of birth is 31/12/1962.
Yes.
And in the STC on re-employment, he has been given an ID card. ID card also shows 31/12/1962.
Yes.
So as per this date, according to the petitioner, he is required to retire on 31/12/2022. But he has been retired on 31st January 2022.
Lordship. Yes, Lordship.
Retirement age is 60 years.
Lordship.
So why this discrepancy?
Lordship, at the time of entry into the service,
Huh.
petitioner has submitted one PAN card. The
PAN card.
copy of the PAN card, Lordship, which we have already annexed in our affidavit in opposition.
Page?
That is page 36, running page 36. Where, page 35, running page 35, and later on in page 36, he has submitted the new PAN card.
Oh.
Moreover, Lordship, if Lordship turns one page later, that is page 37.
No,
he has
30, okay. There are
35
two, there
is
are,
the original PAN, means 35 is the PAN card which the petitioner has submitted during his entry into the service in ASTC. And 36 is the PAN card which he has submitted after his retirement from ASTC. Moreover, Lordship, if Lordship turns to page 37, 38
Yes.
is the vernacular. In 38, that is the vernacular, and 37 is the translated copy. Petitioner has opted for VRS. That is the signature that is the original signature of the
just a
petitioner.
minute. There are some discrepancy in the page numbers. Your page number and my page number does not tally.
My affidavit.
No, you just mention the annexure number. Annexure?
Annexure number is 2, Lordship.
Annexure 2, okay.
Page 37.
Annexure 2 is translated copy.
Translated copy, and annexure means next page 38, next page. That is the vernacular, where he has stated by his own signature, that is his signature is there, Lordship. In his signature, he has stated that his date of birth was, date of birth is 31/1, this one, Lordship.
31/12.
31/12.
1962.
No. 31/1/62.
Translation is not
No,
done.
it's this one, sorry. I am sorry, Lordship. Annexure 3, Lordship. Annexure 3, application form for VRS. Annexure 3, Lordship. That is the type copy.
Yes, annexure 3.
Yes, Lordship. May I read, Lordship?
Yes.
To the so and so apply subject application for voluntary retirement. I have gone through the voluntary scheme of the employees of the state level public enterprise of Assam adopted by the ASTC. I am on my own accord and without any external pressure and coercion, I am opting for voluntary retirement with effect from 1/1/22. I am aware of the benefits that shall accrue to me under the scheme, and I would not be entitled to any benefits other than those provided in the scheme. Yours faithfully, so and so, that is his signature in the second page, that is in page 40. Other information, age as on the date of application is 59 years, 10 months, 9 days. Date of birth 31/1/1962. That is his pre-retirement. He has opted for VRS also.
This is his own signature.
Own signature. He has admitted that his date of birth is 31/1/1962. After his retirement, he has submitted this army application. Lordship, moreover, we have stated in our paragraph number 7, Lordship. Yes, Lordship, paragraph 7, page 33. During his entire service period, Lordship, petitioner has never stated that he was employed in army, Lordship. That is on oath we have stated, Lordship.
Signature is tallying.
Yes, Lordship. That is his own signature.
Annexure 1, Annexure 2, PAN card.
PAN card.
Just see.
Yes, Lordship.
Annexure 1, Annexure 1 series, in fact.
Yes, Lordship.
And the application at Annexure 3.
Yes, Lordship. Same signature.
Signature goes by the name Borwa.
Borwa. In his own handwriting, he has written Pradeep Kumar Borwa. That is page 40. In his own handwriting. In his own handwriting, he has written his date of birth is 31/1/1962. Post-retirement, he has come to know that his date of birth is 31/12/62. Post-retirement.
Yes.
That is not my lord.
Why have you
Actually,
changed your mind
no,
suddenly like that?
come to the actual facts, my lord.
Huh?
Then, because here in the affidavit, they have submitted 2 ID card, my lord, or 2 PAN card, my lord.
Yeah, 2 PAN cards. Why do you have two PAN cards?
One.
Normally one has 1 PAN card only.
That is, their PAN card is false.
Is
my
there
lord.
any expiry date?
In the earlier order, that was by the income tax advocate was appointed as amicus curiae. He is not appearing today.
No. He was not appointed as amicus curiae. He was being.
He has sent it to the department, whether it is correct or not. So the department has reported. So far I know that the annexure 1 is the force, my lord.
No.
Annexure 1 is the force and annexure 2 is the correct, my lord.
No.
Annexure 1 is forged.
No.
There is no.
Nowhere it is written.
Let me see first. In annexure 1, my lord, there is no stamp, my lord. You are also kindly see. Page 35, annexure 1, their affidavit. There is no stamp. It is apparently false. And signature is also not ready to the annexure 2, my lord. Annexure 2 is the real one, my lord. So income tax department has reported that this is the false annexure 1. That is why you are also annexure income tax department, Mr. Coyle will have to come, my lord. Because he, are you?
Okay. Now, for the moment, let us accept your argument. It is forged. Now you come to page 42, Annexure A3. Annexure 3. Your application. In my copy, it's page 42. I don't know how.
We come to that point.
No.
I have.
Let me complete my sentence also.
Sir,
See, this is your application form, wherein you have also declared.
then he was ship severe accident, 80% disablement, my lord. And also suffered from disablement certificate I have and
No. Not like that. See, Mr. Counsel, please wait. You are saying that you have got 2 income tax, what do you call, the PAN card. One is forged, one is correct. So let us accept that it is forged and the correct one should be the one. But in your application, you yourself has mentioned that you want to go for voluntary retirement from 1/1/2022.
not written by him, my lord. He was accepted.
Oh, your signature is there also.
Disablement,
Your signature is there also.
disablement, it was written by someone he has signed.
No, what, my lord, that document may be lie, but other documents, ASPC himself has there's an identity card. They have 31/12/1962 is his date of birth. And my PAN card and the Aadhaar card has also established that. His date of birth is 31/12/2003. In my affidavit, my lord, your lordship kind of see, my affidavit dated 3/10/2023. 2023 Annexure A.
Page number two.
Annexure A is my late PAN card, it is.
Page number two.
And Annexure 2. And Annexure B is the Aadhaar card, my lord.
Page number
In
two.
both the documents, date of birth was recorded as 31/12/2023. This document issued by the authority. It cannot be said that it is false. That document, he has not written this application. He was not in a position to write it at that time because of a heart patient and severe injury sustained by accident, my lord. But those documents with the ASPC, why they have committed wrong, my lord, it is their duty, not my duty, my lord. Verifying my document, I was appointed on contractual basis, my lord.
This application is filed on which date? Annexure 3? It says 4/12 of which year?
My application,
Yes.
Annexure 3.
What is the date?
Annexure.
4/12 of,
31 was- It was written by the authority, my lord, not by me.
what is the date? Anyway, whoever it may be.
Their date of birth was recorded 31/1.
No, it's not 31/1. Please come to Annexure 3. Application form.
That was, I'm telling my lord, the Annexure 3, it was not written by him. He was on bed written at the time.
Oh, I'm not saying that he wrote it. Just tell me the date. Give me the date,
Date of birth.
not date of birth, date of signature, application. It's not legible. You see, you submit all these kinds of papers.
It is date of birth, it is also doubtful, my lord.
Yes, London Standing Council, what is the date? 4/12 of what?
I think it's 4/12/20.
4/12.
4/12/21, I suppose.
4/12 I can read. The remaining what? Remaining portion, the year, what is the year?
21, I suppose.
21.
21.
I'm also not confirmed. Lordship. Yes, Lordship, it's 4/12/21,
My Aadhaar
because
card.
he has applied with effect from 1/1/22 in his application, Lordship.
Okay, 4/12/21, correct?
Yes.
Accident happened in 2017, according to you. 80% disability. What happened? 80% disability means?
No, Lordship will have to hear the income tax advocate also. By earlier order, he was entrusted to verify it, my lord.
You're denying everything. There's the problem, you see. There are two income tax PAN card. You say one is duplicate, one is original.
That is duplicate.
And your application form for VRS, you are saying this is not by me. Somebody has written. So no, you're not doing anything. No, everybody is doing something for you. How can that be?
31st, 31st year, my lord, as per my PAN card and my Aadhaar card, my lord.
And your disability is not to do with your mental condition. It's locomotor disability. You can talk, you can read, you can write. Only thing is that you're not mobile, perhaps.
Retirement law document. Disability to retirement law document.
Disability, my lord, certificate I have it. Page 23. It is my disability certificate.
Have you filed rejoinder affidavit?
Class 6.
Have you filed rejoinder? Affidavit in reply.
Against this affidavit.
Yes.
But I have filed it.
Where?
My affidavit, can you see that?
When did you file it?
2023.
Page number two, page number.
Here I am annexed the annexure A my PAN card, annexure B is my Aadhaar card, my lord.
Let us see the affidavit in reply.
Page 46, 47.
You have filed affidavit in reply. Affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition by the STC.
That is, I'm filing.
You are filing.
No, he had already filed, Lordship,
When?
affidavit in reply. But in affidavit in reply, he has not stated with regarding the application for VRS. He has kept silent.
But where is that affidavit?
Gone on, yeah, that is admitted, but.
Only the copy of the PAN card and Aadhaar card has been given. Lordship, this is the affidavit in reply, Lordship.
Okay, reply. Okay, it's here.
The ID card.
Just a minute. Reply affidavit is here. What do you state about the VRS?
Regarding the VRS application, he is silent, Lordship.
And I'll find a reason there, well, VRS, it is written by other, not by him. He has signed it. At the time, he was 100%.
That is verbally you're saying. It should be in the pleadings.
But other.
It should be in the pleadings.
ID card, they have received. Regarding ID card. In ID card, date of birth is 31/12, that is issued by them. That is issued by them, my lord.
Forget about ID card for the time being. We are on the VRS. You have not denied or you have not disputed.
That is by the wrongly mentioned here. That is 31/1. 2020, it is wrongly mentioned. It should be 32.
Okay, so you should take that stand in your reply affidavit. You have not said anything.
Well, I'll find a reason there, my lord. Because other sufficient documents are there, that is why I'm not filing the reason there, my lord. Here, my ID card, my PAN card, my Aadhaar card, and ID card issued by them, STC, all this shows that date of birth was 31/12/1962, my lord. So in here, I do not show any necessity of.
Do you maintain a service book? Service book?
I have to query whether service book is there or not.
See,
They were repeatedly asked by your lordship, earlier, or your lordship, can you see? They were repeatedly asked, on what basis you have recorded date of birth as 31/1962. After so many dates, they were asked to produce the service book. Now, after so many dates, they have
No.
filed this PAN card, making one false that he has submitted two documents. my lord.
How can it be,
Both
Lordship?
things
We
have
have
been
already filed in
identified
our
by
affidavit, Lordship. We have bring
In
it
the
just
form,
clearly on record, Lordship.
10,000
And affidavit,
He was given retirement for 1 year ahead.
affidavit, we have,
To substantiate the case, they had submitted some false document, my lord.
you
Affidavit-
produce the
affidavit I have filed on 5/8/23, Lordship.
you
And-
produce the service book.
And Lordship may kindly peruse, means, I'm just traveling in Lordship. Lordship may kindly look into page 40 and page 35. Means in your Lordship page, I think running page will be 36 and 41.
Annexure
The-
number?
Annexure 1 series
Hmm.
and Annexure 1 series and this one, Annexure 3. The signature of both the initial signature is same, Lordship. If your Lordship verify.
Oh, I only pointed out to you
Yes, Lordship.
that
That is the same.
I only
same-
said that signature looks same,
Same. And moreover, the
But-
handwriting,
but-
and his own handwriting is there, Lordship.
but
in
we
a-
would like to see the service book.
Lordship.
Any employee you have in your corporation, they will be having service book. You produce that in original. We'll see what can be done.
Lordship.
By committing mistake, subsequently they have forged the PAN card, my lord.
Please write, parties are represented by the respective councils.
Lordship, I have to see because he was in contractual employee, Lordship, not permanent.
So the controversy in the instant case is that according to the petitioner, his date of birth is 31/12/1962, and therefore he should have been retired on 31/12/2022 instead of 31/1/2022. Stop. Stand taken by the respondent STC is that as per the PAN card and as per the own application for VRS submitted by the petitioner, his date of birth has been shown as 31/1/1962. Stop. Next para. Under this circumstance, Lanet Standing Council STC shall produce the service book of the petitioner. Apart from service book, what do you call it? Any role, something like that, which is maintained?
I am not sure, Lordship, whether the petitioner will be having his service book or not, because he was in contractual and
Maybe.
contractual employee, we don't have service book, Lordship.
If
So
no
while-
service book, then you produce any document. Service book oblique, uh, uh, what is that role that you call it?
Because at the time of entry into the service, he has produced his PAN card, Lordship, copy of the PAN card, which we have annexed.
The service book slash,
And he has applied,
please listen, what is that role that you maintain? A big chart thing, then there are number of employees listed there. Big register.
yes, Lordship, I have to. ask.
What is that role? What is the name they call it? Mr. Counsel? What is that role?
That's why.
Service book oblique, any
Any other document?
any records maintained by the department showing the date of birth of the petitioner
Lordship.
and his engagement details. Or not required. List the matter again. When can you produce?
After vacation,
20 January,
20.
20 January.
20 January 25, after 20 January, he is requesting.
Okay, 22nd?
If possible, maybe fix before vacation next week.
22nd,
Uh,
Not
after
possible.
20
not
January.
possible. Second. Let it be on 23rd, Lordship. Can it be?
Okay, on list on 23rd, January 2025.
23rd. Matter may be kept part heard, Lordship,
Not required.
since your Lordship had heard, that's why.
It's a simple matter. You just produce that thing roll and we'll see.
Lordship, I will. Deeply.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship, petitioner has been removed from service pursuant to a departmental proceedings. And on on the similar set of facts and circumstances, there was a criminal proceedings also where however, the petitioner has been acquitted. So here is a case where we are challenging the departmental proceedings as, I'm sorry, the order of removal on the basis of Lordship, the procedural in violation as well as on substantive merit. And the law is also settled by the Honorable Apex Court of India. Then where there are similar set of evidence, similar set of proceedings in criminal as well as the departmental proceedings. If the criminal proceedings has resulted in acquittal of the employee, then that has to be given consideration. If the same said, then he has to be absolved of the departmental proceedings also. That is how I plan, Lordship, we are challenging the present removal of the petitioner from service. Lordship may kindly peruse the first of all. He was a constable in the Assam Police. And the facts are very simple, Lordship. On the day, on a 31st night, 31st December, it has been alleged that he had shot at with his service revolver, one of his colleagues. That is the allegation. Of course, Lordship, he did not die. There was some injury, and thereafter he has recovered. Allegation is that he shot at him, but the evidence does not support. Entirely for purpose, Lordship. Entirely purpose. That is why the criminal court has acquitted him.
Mr. Barua, you are ready?
Mate, please tell us. Thing is
The
that,
records are also there.
thing is that Lordship, while he was in work, he was, after being taken the job as SI, he has been transferred to many places. While he was under.
See, Mr.
Yes.
Barua, listen. See, if we're going to hear it, we'll hear it from the beginning, not in a piecemeal,
Lordship.
that you keep on submitting turn by turn like that. If you're going to hear it, we'll hear it entirely.
I'm just going to
appears
narrate
that
the-
No. You will narrate it when you're at your own turn. I'm asking you, are you ready with the hearing matter? And is the records ready?
Records is ready, the inquiry report is ready. I have gone to the findings.
Affidavit also is filed?
Affidavit filed. In fact, I have seen the depositions of the witnesses
Okay.
against him.
In a nutshell, he is ready.
So only thing is that what my friend stated about the Supreme Court judgment on
Oh.
parallel proceeding, that part, Lordship, what I feel that, okay, from criminal proceeding, he was being acquitted, but evolution of the materials and evidence are different in DP and criminal proceedings.
That will be,
That was Supreme Court has already.
see, I'll hear you all on that. See, only thing is that I was just trying to find out whether parties are ready and materials are there. If it is yes, we start with the hearing. And
Materials are
she,
there, Lordship, but thing
and
is
the
that-
petitioner's counsel will start. You will get your chance. She will reply. That's it.
Materials are there, Lordship, but thing is that the judgments are, particular, this judgment is not at my head right now. If I like to produce before your
Okay,
Lordship.
so then
Will
we'll have it
please-
some other day then.
Lordship, I'll furnish him the judgment,
No,
judgment
the-
regarding
in
the
fact- in
parallel
fact, I have
proceedings.
No,
three-
judgment in his support, supporting.
in my support, actually, not, actually, the judgments I have 347, but in his soft copy in my email. So I have to get those judgments.
So what he's
otherwise
saying
the-
is he has got the soft copies, he only requires the hard
No, no,
copy.
মই চাব লাগিব ন, চাৰি পাঁচটা judgment আছে, কিছুমান আপোনাৰ paper
You can go through them while I'm
Right now.
placing the case. So that cannot be a ground for him to seek adjournment because
No, I
this
am not
has been
seeking adjournment. I am not seeking accommodation. If you want to continue, you can, yes, I have parallel proceeding here.
if he's ready, then may I proceed?
Mr. Barwa, ready? See, if you want accommodation, just tell it, just say frankly. Otherwise, after hearing for 1 hour, we cannot just like go back and say that need some more time.
See, I just want to place, I just want some time to get the printers of those judgments.
Hmm.
Because I could not predict that she will be like taking us to that point of non-lawsuit. So I just need to be ready on that aspect. Otherwise, lawsuit, the records are ready and everything, pleadings are ready.
Lordship, I have been arguing this for quite some time, but just because the other side was not ready, this could not be heard.
So we'll make it clear now. You have it next week,
No problem,
Tuesday?
no problem. I'll be
hearing?
ready with the judgments.
Can it be on Thursday, Lordship? If
his
it's
judgment কেইটা
convenient?
আছে আপোনালোক কৰিব নেকি এতিয়া?
Okay, please write, list the matter. On Thursday,
Thursday, it's convenient for them.
Thursday?
Because
No problem.
List the matter on this Thursday or next
Lordship,
Thursday?
this Thursday.
No problem.
This Thursday
I
might
just
be
need
difficult.
Some
Okay,
more
Lordship,
time.
Tuesday, if it's
for this trip.
as per convenience of the Honorable Court, next Tuesday, if it's
This matter again on 17th of December 2022, 25, 24 for hearing. The learned counsels for the rival parties may produce the authorities they wish to rely upon on that date.
আপোনাৰ কি আছে? ক'ত এটা দিলে? মই চাই ল'ম কেইটামান judgment আছে নেকি? Tuesday খতম কৰি দিম।
Lordship, with regard to item number 13, I am for the respondent. Petitioner has mentioned the matter, but they have not taken any consent. And the matter has been fixed on Friday. And on Friday, there is some inconvenience on the part of the conducting council. So can it be fixed on any other day? Item number 13, Lordship, the NIT Workers Union matter. I am for the respondent 225. Lordship, actually, we are not being informed about that. No, Lordship, I am for the response. 225, NIT Silchar. There's some inconvenience on the part of contacting council on Friday, Lordship. Yes, Lordship, the petitioner mentioned, but we are not aware about the mention. Lordship, on the next week, after not Friday, and Tuesday or Wednesday, as per convenience of Lordship. I will inform Lordship. No, Lordship, I will inform him by the course of the day. Lordship, I will inform. I will inform the-